Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuses to check in case your heated seats are not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. All the heated seats fuses will be located in a small fuse box just next to the passenger left leg. Now first you want to remove this cover. You can do that by pulling it towards yourself. Once you have removed it, you will have one more cover, which is the actual fuse box cover. Now to remove that one, you'll have two black clips, one down here and one just here on the top. So you want to press them at the same time and remove the cover. Okay. Now on the cover itself you will have a small fuse diagram, and on the inside of the cover you will have a small white fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 18, which is a 20 amp fuse responsible for power to the front heated seats. And the second fuse to check, it's a small 10 amp red fuse located up here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the heated seats relay. So you will have total of 2 fuses to check. In case both of these fuses are good, next thing to check would be the heated seats switch itself. That's the most common issue that occurs. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.